Hi guys, welcome back. It's Rochelle with another Z digitizing design for you. This one are some blinged out lips, honey, and you are just going to love this design. So, before we get started, or as we get started, I'd just like to say, if you're interested in this design, once we get to the end, go ahead and there'll be a link in the description below. And that link will give you a 50% off on your very first order at zdigitizing.com or zdigitizing.net. Just copy and paste it in your browser and follow the instructions that are in the description below. They have excellent customer service, so if you have a problem, don't be afraid to reach out to them because they're going to go ahead and solve that problem for you. Yes, even if you lose your file, they'll turn right around and send you a backup. So don't have to worry about it. Okay, so as you can see, it's coming together. The lips are coming together. This particular design has four colors: Christmas red, black, chrome, and cherry red. So you can have all of your threads ready to go when you purchase your design from zdigitizing.com. Okay, so as you can see, we're moving right along. It's soon going to be ready for you. And yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. So I'd like to say, please stick with me. Like, subscribe, share, because there are other creators out there that will want to see this file and go on over to zdigitizing.com, get their design, and yes, when they use the link, they'll also get 50% off their first order. Isn't that amazing? So just go right ahead and share that link if you need to. No problem at all. So stick around with me because I am going to have more of these designs coming from zdigitizing.com. I'm going to be sharing so that you can get a feel for how the file comes together as it's embroidered out for you. You can use this file on, I'm sorry, you can use this design on the back of a jeans jacket or on a backpack. It would look fabulous. Oh, and don't forget, you can also use it on a makeup bag or cosmetic bag. So she's coming together here, getting around to working those teeth. Oh, you asked about the chrome. So the chrome actually is a silver thread that I found to use for the bling that you'll see in this design. So it is a silver thread. It's a specialty thread for embroidery that you can get. I found mine at Walmart. So no biggie. It's not something special that you have to order, from away or anything. You probably can get it on Amazon or one of the other popular websites, maybe even on Etsy. Who knows? But anyway, let's just watch this play out for a moment. If you have questions, of course, drop them in the chat, drop them in the comment section below, and I will respond. I respond to everyone. We have a few thread changes, as you can see, throughout the process of this design. So like I said, there are four color changes. I should say there are three because we start with number one. So we can go ahead and, yep, get back on track. And she's working on it. I'm telling you, this This design is going to blow you away. It is absolutely beautiful. I just love it. Yes. Yes. I'm telling you, you're going to love it too. And while you're at it, once this video is complete, please go ahead and take a look at the other embroidery projects that I have done, and you will enjoy those as well. Also available at zdigitizing.com. Yes, I just love their designs. So I don't really go anywhere else for my designs because I like what they have over there. And there's a lot. There is a lot to choose from. And the prices are very reasonable. So no problem about, about that. So just go ahead and, take a look around over there on their site, and you will see for yourself that there are some really nice designs over there. Hang around with me and see what my next project is going to be. Yes, yes, it's coming together very nicely. Yes. So let's just watch this play out, and then more towards the end, you'll see we just have a little bit of cleanup and trim the edges, and then we'll go ahead and yeah, clean it up, and it'll be ready to go. I've actually put this on a muslin backing because it will be good if I want to use it as a patch. Actually, I can cut it out and use it as a patch on the back of the jacket, is what I was explaining to you, with another process, either by sewing it on with the machine, or I can make it an adhesive using another backing. She's getting her lips done now. She's getting that color. Oh yeah, she's coming together now. Yes. We're getting close. We're almost done. Don't forget the link in the description box for your 50% off on your first order. I know you will be more than pleased. I highly recommend zdigitizing.com or zdigitizing.net. Both sites have designs for you, so you can just go ahead and take a look. Yeah, so it's finishing up the edges now. And as soon as it's finished, it's going to let me know. What a suggestive design. Look at that mouth. Is she saying, I don't know? Or is she biting her lip like, ooh, I don't know if that's a good idea? Oh, or you look good or something. That a mouth has so much potential for so much expression. All depends on who's seeing it. Okay. Yes, just trimming it up a bit. Yes. Yep, looks like we had a little, yep, we're ready to go now. Removing the hoop from the carriage. And there she is, all beautiful, nice and trimmed up, ready to go.